Getting ready to run the new wire to the furnace, which is right here. We're gonna run a new wire out of this box and disconnect it from the splice that's there. Redo that. This is the new wire we're working on. We got a new breaker, 30 amp I'm gonna put in. All right, so we're gonna cut the main here and get everything connected up on this end of it. All right, so let's get going. All right, so we got the wires running here, going up, going through the stud, coming down, and then it lines up right here and connects with the wiring to the furnace. As you see, they're connected up in there. And then I've separated that line from this light line that is on its the other circuit. So this is now separated onto its own breaker, which is going to be right here, 30. You've got the lines separated. We're going to switch our own breaker on. That should turn the furnace on now. There it goes. We have power now separated from the rest of it. That was what we want to accomplish. As you can see, it turned on with its own power switch. Also has this in addition, but all you need now is that now the breaker's separated from the rest. That'll give us 5 extra amps everywhere. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the next thing we got to do. All right, so we got that wobbly old box out and the 2-prong. We're going to switch all that out with the box that sits and a 3-prong. We're going to do that next. All right, so that's fixed. As you can see, it's rock solid, ain't coming out. That's what we want. Put the cover on. We're all set on this one. Boom, look at that. There we go. Got a new plug there, nice and solid. Get rid of the old stuff. All right, so this is the one where they broke the tab and tried to join 2 wires together. I don't know why they did that, but we're gonna separate this one off and just cap it off. It really serves no purpose because it's just spliced in, so there's no reason for it. And then we're gonna put a whole new plug in. Get rid of the single, put a triple in. Make it easier to plug stuff in. Okay. All right, so just checking out. As you can see, it's good. Checks out. Checks out good. All right. Power where they used to plug in is working. Also want to show that that works. So that checks out. Let's go look at the other one. We can push that back now, and we know that's good. We're gonna verify that this one's still good over here. Yep. As you can see, that checks out by itself. We'll even give it a double check. Perfect. And all that is